trying to give away the key to gravity. As you can see in this picture, we have two wheels that are perpendicular and they rotate around each other. Here you see the magnetic constant permeability that is normally used to generate magnetic field in a coil. If you divide that constant by 137 two times, then you can get the gravity constant. The calculated gravity constant is measured by Fixler to be exact. So we are making gravity from magnetism. Gravity is a magnetic force. Now I try to show you what 137 is. If you divide the light speed by 137, you get the speed of electrons in atom. 137 is the generation constant used to freeze light in an orbit. This constant can be derived by the quantum Hall resistance divided by spacetime resistance. The constant 137, that is also called fine structure constant, is defined by Planck constant, light speed, electrical permittivity and elementary charge. The ratio of electrical energy divided by standing wave energy is exactly 137. The ratio of rest mass energy divided by electrical energy is 137 squared. If we divide orbital radius to Thornton radius to classical radius, we also get 137 each times. It also showed that electron is a toroid particle. I will maybe later make some video, when I get some time. If you divide 360 degrees, that is full circle, by the golden number, you get an angle division of 222 and 137. So these angles divide beautiful, and this tells us what is going on internally in the physics. It is all the golden rule structure to the smallest part. Now the golden number itself can be calculated by pi itself. This is also one possibility to calculate golden number. If the current runs in a wire in a circle, then the A vector potential is generated parallel to the wire. A vector potential also runs in a circle. Now the magnetic field is the axis of this rotation. This is Ezekiel's wheel that is mentioned in the Old Testament, the Torah. It shows us wheels within wheel. Now we look this artistic picture from 1888. It also has this wheel on the upper left corner. A man who is discovering anti-gravity is shown in that picture. It also tells us that we must look beyond our horizon to find something new. My suggestion would be to combine the both fields like this to get anti-gravity. So the current will run like those mechanical wheels are running. Is that not beautiful? Now I show you a movie that is posted by me last year. I knew all this way back several years past. That theory is nothing new to me. I was just holding it back. Here you can see a man who turns a gyroscope, then he further rotates that gyroscope again perpendicular on that axis. Then this gyroscope tries to follow the bigger axis, and so a third force is generated. I I would basically try to make a red current that is a copper wire, that is turned first as a core. Then I would move a second green wire around that red one in perpendicular manner. It would generate gravity field. The experiment is not done yet, but this is my suggestion that it will work, and by using sawtooth DC current we might be able to lift it. We basically use both axes of torium. If we turn a superconductive wire like this, that thing might also levitate. This may also work. I would also suggest some Rodin coil combination as well. I hope it lifts. Rodin say that his coil is more efficient, but it must be proven first. I would rather try this type of field on that Rodin coil. His coil normally should be like this. I would also try canceling fields instead of perpendicular fields. I also guess that opposite fields might also make anti-gravity. I am in favor of this.